makapagluto. So ngayon magluluto na ako. So welcome to Tea's Kitchen! So ngayon gagawin ko ang favorite kong recipe na ginagawa ni Mommy, which is buttered garlic shrimp. So bago magluto, syempre kailangan maging maganda ang nagluluto para masarap ang iyong pagkain. So, ayan na rin. Ito na yung mga ingredients. Ingredient natin ay shrimp. And next ingredient is butter. And our next one is garlic. So, as you can see, nakakat na tong garlic. Tinulungan ako ni Mami i-cut siya.
Naka-mince.
So, yeah. Secret ingredient ni Mami, which is Jafran sweet chili. So, nilalagyan ito para matamis ng konti daw. Kasi, masarap daw kapag ganon. Tara na! Luto na tayo! Open muna natin yung ilaw para maliwanag magluto. So, buksan na natin. Oh, sorry guys. Di siya na ano. There we go! So, our next one is, we're gonna open. Okay guys, so open na natin. Okay, so ang first step ay lagyan nyo ng oil. And second, ilalagay na natin ang butter. Whoa! It just lagged. Wow, look at the bubbles!
Ganyan lang karami.
Yeah. I don't want to put too much. Just like one slice. Now, ilalagay na natin ang garlic. Garlic. So, there it is.
Isa lang.
So, there it is.
So, igigisa mo lang siya. Yan, gisa sa pay.
Guys, mabango na nga siya sobra. Amoy ko na. Okay guys, as you can see, manik ko ng garlic and butter, which is bango. Amoy ko na siya. Medyo ipag-brown na lang natin ng konti. Guys, so sabi dyan, a messy kitchen is a sign of a happy home, which is really true.
Messy ba yung kitchen natin? Hindi naman.
No. So, ilalagay na natin ng shrimp. So, I'm just gonna... Whoa! Look at that crackle sound. So, ang dami naman shrimp, guys. So, marami tong kakainin. Wait, I'm just gonna... Okay. So, I'm gonna hold it first. Oh my God, ang daming shrimp. So,
Ang taba ng shrimp po. Kita mo
yeah. Kitang-kita yung ano.
yung taba sa ulo niya.
Yeah.
Sa head. Wow, ang daming cholesterol.
So, you guys know, paborito ko tong butter garlic sobra. So, mostly nakikita nyo lagi kong kinakain butter garlic. But not like always. Bira lang siya, pero paborito ko talaga siya because it's really delicious.
At wala akong nakakain. Kulang pa sa'yo yung kalahating kilo.
Yeah, very true. Iba na lang kinakain niya. I mean, kumakain naman siya nito, pero mga ilan lang. Wow! Ang bango! Look at the garlic. It's like, help me, I want to go with the shrimp. Nakalimutan ni Mami ibigay sa akin yung oyster sauce. So, lalagay nga natin siya kasi nakalimutan niya kasi nakalagay sa ref. Si Mami,
So, may konti siyang oyster sauce.
So, lalagyan lang natin ng konting oyster sauce. And, which, you can see the shrimp. Parang gray siya kanina, di ba? Naging orange na siya
Ayan.
ng konti.
Lagyan mo
Which
siya.
is good. So, lalagyan lang natin siya. Not all. Wow, galing na talaga sa ref. konting orange, which is really, really good. Yan, yung paminta. Natapon. Hindi naman lahat, pero yung inaano niya. So, it is really true na a messy kitchen is a sign of a happy home. As mapapansin nyo, wala kaming nilagay na salt because yung, what you call that? Oh, the shrimp, may natural flavor na siya. Kumbaga, parang umami. So, maalat na siya ng konti. And yung oyster, maalat na din. So, ayaw na kasi namin ng sobrang maalat. So, yeah. Healthy kami! I mean, like, shrimp. Yeah. So, promise guys, masarap to. So, you got to try this. So, try nyo lang lutuin siya. As you can see, eto na siya. So, nagpatulong ako kay Mommy because from the plate to the kawali, mabigat siya. As in, mabigat. So, as you can see nga, nagpatulong ako sa kanya. And here is a beautiful, beautiful butter garlic shrimp. It's gonna be so yummy in your mouth. Yum, 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 yum. And you're done in 1 second. Just kidding. You're not done in 1 second. Probably 5 minutes. Because it's so yummy. So this is not an ordinary butter garlic shrimp because we added, what's this again? Soy oyster sauce and sweet chili, which is yummy. Because guys, yung iba, nilalagyan lang nila ng butter and garlic. So, don't forget, if you like my video, please give this video a big, 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 big thumbs up. And comment down below if you want to try this out. But you have to try it out because it tastes so good. You guys are gonna love it. Love it. I mean, like, seriously, you're gonna love it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon next to it so you'll get notified in every vlog I do. So please kindly subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to spread the love and to spread